If you are new here, we have the rules. If you want to stay updated, hit the red button and the notification button so that you can stay updated, so that you can find a new video in every week. Don't beg where you don't benefit. Don't follow someone who doesn't give you a chance to lead. Because in this life, there are people who always want to come first and leave you behind. In this life, there are people who think for themselves. Because in this life, there are people who want their name go worldwide and forget about your name. But you made the history together. In this life, there are people that think they are smart to make you a puppet. There are people that change from a leader to a boss and they don't see the difference. But the leader is different from a boss. The boss say do it, but the leader say let's do it. The boss employees work for the debit, but the leader's employees work for the benefit. The boss only think about his own success, but the leader think about everyone's success. That is why the boss employees don't last, but the leader's employees do last. So you can't read my private life because it's not written on my face, but inside to my heart. A human is unreadable book. What I mean, I can show you love today, but tomorrow I'm planning your death. So you can't change someone by giving him time to fix his mistake. If you want to change someone, first accept the way he is. If you can't, let her be. I'm not talking to she, I'm not talking to he, I'm talking to you all. Stop making excuses while you have been excused. Stop making plans that have been planned to expose you, because your life gonna be explode. A Table Mountain is a beautiful place, but also a dangerous place. So play your life with limit and stop showing your weakness in front of your enemy. I'm tired of the fake friends that don't show me a future. I'm tired of a fake love from fake people. We are tired of fake relationships that make others cry several times. So don't push what need to stay and pull what need to go, because it is easy to push, but it is hard to pull. So the future you believe in, it's what you live in. It is better to be covered by light than to be devoured by darkness. So don't listen who say go now. Listen who say do what you think is right for you. You want to be a billionaire. You want your name go worldwide. So why you don't take a step now? Because success is waiting for you. So your life is not yours, but it's controlled by you. Because if it is yours, why do you allow to die and leave the beautiful legacy? But it is still beautiful, because you can change what you don't want into what you want. So do you see how amazing the life it is? Because whatever you have, it can still make you happy. So life is unique because of many reasons. The opportunity you have, it's what makes you brave. So be brave of who you are because of your own success. And the time is now, not tomorrow.